It's my pleasure to be today in Mauritius, in this beautiful island, for this very important workshop. Very important, and I would like to highlight that we have very high-level participants in this meeting, in this opening, showing the level of commitment of our host, Mauritius, to the tax transparency agenda. And I would like to thank, in particular, the Mauritius Revenue Authority for organizing this event. I would like to commend the preparation and the hospitality of the team. I would like also to welcome all the participants that come to Mauritius to attend this workshop on Common Reporting Standard Compliance Audit. We have participants from all over the world. I would like to give some background about this event. Why do we have this specific practical workshop today? The Global Forum on Transparency and Exchange of Information for Tax Purposes is a large family of 171 jurisdictions around the world. All the Global Forum members are committed to fight tax evasion through cooperation between tax administrations. And as you know, since 2009, over 130 billion euros of additional revenue have been identified by Global Forum members. And this is the fruit of your cooperation. And in 2014, a new standard has been developed, and the Global Forum was tasked to monitor the widespread implementation of the standard. And the standard is a standard on automatic exchange of financial account information. This standard is very useful for tax administration. I will just give one figure. Last year, tax administration participating to automatic exchange of information have exchanged over 134 million accounts, representing nearly 12 trillion of euro of assets. This is a very valuable information for tax administration. And this is also very important that all the information that should be exchanged is exchanged, and that the quality of the information is ensured. And to do that, we need to supervise financial institutions because they are the provider of the information. From the peer review process, because we had a first round of reviews regarding the implementation of automatic exchange of financial account information, it is clear that countries have passed the legislation. This is not the main issue identified. But when it comes to the implementation in practice, when we speak about effectiveness, when we look at how financial institutions have been supervised, this is where we found that it was somehow challenging for tax administration. Why? Because tax administration were not used to supervise compliance of financial institutions with due diligence. This is a different approach for tax administration when it comes to ensure the implementation, the effective implementation of all the obligations by financial institutions. We are now in the second round of reviews, of effectiveness reviews, and the purpose of this event is really to support you in your daily activities when it comes to supervising financial institutions. We hope that through the practical cases that will be used, from the experience from other colleagues, from Mauritius, from Finland, from Switzerland, and others, you will get a sense of what can be done to ensure for your jurisdiction compliance with the standard. So let me once again thank the Mauritius Revenue Authority for organizing this event. And I would like to wish you a very fruitful discussion and training. Thank you very much.